Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to do a hair tutorial. And yeah, I'm going to do my favorite hairstyles. Let's get to first things first. But first things first, you're going to need a hairpin and hair ties. These and the thin ones. So, yeah, and a brush, of course, or a comb. So what I'm about to do is going to brush my hair. See, my hair is so long. So yeah, I'm going to brush my hair. The struggles, I know, right? Okay, so I'm done brushing my hair. If you're wondering what is my hair care routine, I just do my shampoo and conditioner. Probably my hair is so very it needs to be very expensive hair products, so that's where my hair cooperates, because if I didn't use that, my hair will be so dry and it's not good. Yeah, I just wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner, but I use conditioner weekly. Like this week I'm going to use conditioner, and the other week, because my conditioner is a very good product. I use Tresemme, if you're wondering. So yeah, my hair is so maarte. So in this first hair tutorial that I'm going to do is we're just gonna need a hairpins. Just need a lot of hairpins. So I don't know what I'm going to name this hairstyle. It's just that this is the moment when you don't want to put your hair up, you just leave down, but it has a style in it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So first things first, going to part your hair straight like that. I'm not a hairstylist, I'm just figure these things out. So yeah, anyways, this is optional if you don't want some hair on the front, like this, for example, like these. This is very optional, but if you want to, then put it. Just gonna put this two in the front, and then what you're about to do is get this piece and then just twist it like that. Be sure it is very tight while you're doing the twist. Until you get into the end. So when you're on the top of your ear like this, going to secure it with hairpin. And when you're done clipping this side, do the exact same thing on the other side. It's very easy, guys. You're just gonna twist it like this, and then you're gonna twist it again. It's very easy. And when you're finished doing that, here is the final look. Ta-da! It's very easy and very like I finished doing that in 1 or 3 minutes or 2 minutes or 1.5 maybe. I don't know, but yeah, it's very easy. Just gonna twist it the sides, and yeah, you're done. Also, this style you can do sides ponytails. Like for example, going to need a hair tie, as you can see. I'm going to tie the both sides of my hair. And when you're finished tying your 2 hairs on the sides, ta-da! Here is the final look. And you can also braid this up. And now, when you're finished doing your braids, so here it is. I just did a very simple braid method over here. So yeah, I just do the simple braid in here. So yeah, this hairstyle that I did earlier, the twisty thingy, you can wear that with your hair down, or you can tie both of your hairs in here, like the low pigtails in here, or you can braid them. And also, I removed the hair tie earlier so I can braid, start from here and work my way onto the bottom. So yeah, let's go on to the next step. So I finished removing the sides of my twisty things over here. So I forgot to tell you guys, also this front hair pieces on the front of your face, you can put it on the sides as well. So yeah, so the next thing is, this is also a twisty thingy that I did earlier, but in a different direction. So you're gonna start from here like a V shape. So, and also this part, like I did earlier, you're going to twist that very hard on it. Hairpins on this side, do the exact same thing on the other side. So yeah, it's very easy. You do the same thing earlier, but in a different direction. You're going to put the twisty in here in a V shape. And when you're finished doing that, here is the final look. So yeah, you can do it on the sides, you can do it in here as well. And do the exact same thing, like you can do more hairstyles on the bottom or leave it like this. So yeah. So I taken off the clips. So the next hairstyle you're going to do is put your hair all the way to the side. And of course, going to brush it. Done brushing that, I'm going to do is going to take these part like that. This, I am not going to say that this is my original hairstyle. I just watched this from a long time ago, I think 2014 or 2013. I just watched this also on YouTube, and then yeah, this is my, I mean, not my first time wearing this, but I wear this in February. So yeah, I've done this hairstyle many times, but only in this February 2020 I wear it in public. So yeah, anyways, this. And then we're going to pick a hair in here, there, and then do the exact same thing again in here. Just do it until you reach the end. Do it again, so, and then do it once. So yeah, all you're going to do is, while you're on this side, you're going to pick hair and sew on until you reach the end of your hair. Is the final look. Yeah, I know it looks a little bit loose, but yeah, I'm still struggling to braid properly my hair because it's so thick and it's so long. But yeah, it's a very, very cute hairstyle. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you're done doing this. I wear this when I'm with Jaisal on my Valentine's Day vlog, February 13. Yeah, this is the hairstyle that I wear on that day. So yeah, here's what it looks like. It's very, very easy. Just going to pick a hair in here and then do the simple braided. Then when you're on the side, you're going to pick and then until you're done. So I just took it off the hairstyle earlier. Now the next thing is my ponytail. So yeah, I'm going to do my ponytail. So yeah, this is my ponytail that I do normally. family. And yes, my hair is not good looking. As you can see, I have a lot of baby hairs everywhere, so yeah. And last but not the least is the messy bun. What to do is going to twist my hair. And then secure with another hair tie. Yeah, this looks not so good, but until you loosen up the hair, it will become a messy bun. And also you're going to lose the back. There. Yeah, I'm not a hairstylist, but this is what I did to my. This is what I do to my messy bun. So yeah. So finally, we've finished all my favorite hairstyles that I do when going out with my family or friends. So the hairstyles that I showed you on this video is the hairstyles that I do mostly, because most of them are very, very easy and very, very quick to do, because you just need a hair ties and a lot of hairpins, and yeah, that's it. And sometimes I use this kind of clips when there's not a lot of time to do my hair, so I just gonna clip this on my hair, and then yeah, that's it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this another hair tutorial. This is my number 2 of my hair tutorial on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope you liked and enjoyed this new video. Watch out for my upcoming videos and vlogs and other things. See you guys on the next vlog or video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and tap the notification bell for more updates like this. And yes, be safe, and yeah, just stay inside and be alert, and always keep your hands clean, guys. So yeah, and also guys, this hairstyle that I did are easy peasy lemon squeezy hair tutorial. So yeah, that's it guys. Bye.